Hello everyone, welcome to Color Elated. Like many of you, I subscribe to a few makeup websites and I'm on their mailing lists, and it's always so nice to see when they're having a sale. And even though Juvia's place has great products at great prices on a regular basis, when they have a sale, I usually try to pick up a little something. I was very excited to see their collaboration with beauty blogger Fumi, Desalu, Vold. Been a subscriber of hers for quite some time, and I love her looks. I love her makeup interpretations. And here she is, beautifully adorned, the colors. And when I first saw the palette, I just had a bit of trepidation because of that red especially. I don't wear red eyeshadow. Fumi wears it to perfection and makes you really want to get into it. But when I saw it, I just didn't know how these colors were going to work together. So in this video, let's go ahead and do some swatching of the colors. And then let's also recreate the look that I did first time using the palette. And let's give some thoughts on at least my feelings about the palette, and would love to hear your thoughts also. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see a look with the stunning Queen palette in a collaboration with Juvia's Place and beauty blogger Fumi, Desalu, Vold, please stay tuned. So first color we want to swatch is Adrian, this luscious grapey purple. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Next is Ole, which is this reddish color. This is the one that I was the most afraid of. But it's far more versatile than I thought it would be. The next color, Glam, which looks like a rose gold. Next is FDV Approved, which is stunning on the brow bone. And then this beauty right here is Sister to Sister. And let's put her right there. Pretty peachy color. And then this stunning hot pink is 7. I'm running out of room. Let's put 7 right here. I want to first start out by basing the eye. I'm going to take the P. Louise base in number 3, which is the tiniest amount of Benefits Boing in number 9. So now going into the palette, we're going to take 7 with a nice fluffy brush and apply that into the crease. I'm hoping to add a little bit of lift to my eye, so I'm going to try and take that a little farther up onto the bone right here. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and go over those edges. Then with another fluffy brush, let's go in with Ole. And that looks really vibrant on camera. I like that. But these colors really do buff down beautifully, and they work nicely together. Now before we deepen those corners, let's go ahead and apply the lid color, and I cannot resist Glam. And we're going to apply Glam with the finger. And good thing I broke this nail too, because it works really well. So now let's take Adrian into the corners with a nice fluffy brush. When I did this look the first time, upon applying Adrian, this is where the stars and the planets just kind of aligned for me. This was just like the moment for me, because it just tied all of these colors together so beautifully. Go back with that original brush and just try to apply a little bit more of that very first color we started off with. I'm going to take Urban Decay 24 7 pencil in Alkaline and apply that to the lower waterline and underneath the lower lash line. And with a precision brush moistened with Max Fix Plus, I'm going to go back with Adrian. Not that any Urban Decay 24/7 pencil needs help, but we're just going to add a little extra purple punch to this. And I really want to use all the colors I can in this palette. So normally I would put something really frosty right here, but I have a bit going on right here. I mean, this is fire going on right here. So we're going to go ahead and take Sister to Sister, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner. And I've I've taken a pencil brush and dampened it with Max Fix Plus. Take a little sister to sister and put it underneath that purple. Now to kind of finish this off, let's take a little bit of FDV Approved and put it right on the brow bone. Whoa. So we're going to line in a burgundy liner from ColourPop. This is Joyride. So to finish this look, let's take the Juvia's Place blush in Bella. I think I'm going to go red with this. So I have to do Juvia's Place liquid lipstick in Afrique. I'm going to highlight from Artist Couture. And since I have a full day ahead of me, let's finish with some makeup setting spray from Urban Decay's All Nighter. I love how that feels. This is the final look, and I'm absolutely pleased with how it came out. These colors are so pretty together, hence the reason I am eating crow. I'm going to put the link, hopefully it will still be on sale and definitely available when you get to juviasplace.com. So we'll get the link to that down at the bottom. I had the opportunity to buy it, use it, and I did fall in love. These colors, they just hit all the buttons. I mean, now I will say the red I had some trepidation over, and if Fumi can wear any color that the good Lord has made, Fumi can rock it. She wears red, and she'll tell you in her videos one of her favorite colors, red paired with this pink, and then this smokiness of the Adrian shade, and this rose gold on the lids. Amazing. And also I'm going to try and put the link down to Fumi's video when she's introducing her palette, because you really need to see not only her swatching it, but hear the inspiration for those colors. That always makes a palette so special. Guys, thanks so much. Take care. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I so appreciate it. Please thumbs me up, guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So much. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay blessed, guys.